Hello students, in this video I am going to explain how to derive the formula of kinetic energy. The energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion is called its kinetic energy. Let us consider a block of mass m which is stationary on the ground. This block is stationary. Now if the block is stationary, we can say its initial velocity is 0. This block will change its position only when a force is applied on the block. So due to the force applied, let us say the block displaces by distance s, and after covering displacement or distance s, its velocity becomes v. So to displace this block by some distance s, some work must be done. That work here is equal to Fs. Since force and displacement both are in the same direction, work done is Fs. Force is equal to mass times acceleration into displacement s. But we also know that v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So here we can say v square is equal to 0 since initial velocity is 0 plus 2as. And from here if I make as as a subject, we get v square upon 2. Substituting this value of as in the formula of w, that is mass, we get mass times v square upon 2, that is half m v square. So the work done here is half mv square. But when this much work is done, for that some energy is spent. Where does that energy go? That energy is converted as kinetic energy of the body. So we can say kinetic energy of this block is half mv square. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.